Yo, welcome back to my channel, you beautiful guys and gals. So in this video I'm going to let you know how you can actually download a street view photo inside Google Maps. So let's say you're just checking out Google Maps and you're came across a wonderful mesmerizing photo and you'd be like, how can I download this photo? So in order to do it, let's just for instance search for Times Square, right? And then we just need to open Google Map first and foremost. Okay, we're just gonna open Google Maps. So we're at Times Square. We're just gonna drag and drop this little dummy down in here. Okay, so let's say we just want to download this photo, but Google Maps actually will not let you do it. And if you just want to take a screenshot, you'll like to deal with all this logos, all these things post editing, and that's not what we want. So we're actually going to copy this link and just search for Street View Download 360. Just trust me, this application is 100% safe. You're just going to download this application, and then this is the interface of this application, right? You're just going to paste the link down in here, and you're just going to choose a path to save that specific photo. And just make sure you're under the panorama download, right? Click on download. Okay, it says a file with same name already exists, so we're just going to change the name of it and then click on download, right? So this is the file, but at a first glance you'd be like, bro, this is hallucinating. What is this? But this is a file that is 9.5 megabyte. You can edit this easily and zoom in and just make sure, bro, just trust me, you just not going to lose any resolution, because the resolution initially is up to the sky and you'll be all good with it. So you're just going to zoom in the area that you want to have it saved. Click on save and boom, here you go. Here you have an image saved on your PC from Google Maps without doing anything complicated. So it was this quick tutorial. Thank you for watching, dedicating your time. Please like this video if you find any value and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.